Since the start of the 20th century, humankind has seen some incredible advancements in technology. Work that took 1,000 men back in the day is now being done without the need of a single person. Isn't that fascinating? Technology today is evolving at a rapid pace, enabling faster change and process, causing an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it's not only technology trends and engineering technologies that are evolving. A lot more has changed this year due to the outbreak of COVID-19, making IT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world of tomorrow. Well, today, we are going to see some more of these technologies that have the potential to change the world. And don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. And keep the notification bell on to ring you on our future updates. Let's get right to our list. Number 10. One of the most important threats our planet is facing is single-use plastic, mainly the plastic bottles that have filled up our landfills and are continuing to do so. Our first invention is here to fight that. Meet edible water bottles. Though they don't look like bottles, they are a jelly-like material used to store water inside them and are completely edible. Moreover, they can be fully decomposed, unlike plastic bottles. They can be of any size and have potential to completely replace water bottles for better. Next, at number 9, we have something that every 90s kid dreamed of. Cars that can drive themselves. Yes, humans are not the best drivers, to be honest. They make mistakes, they get sick, they need to be paid, and it's not that safe, unlike autonomous cars. These cars can drive completely on their own, some of them even removing the steering wheel completely. Tesla has already been able to achieve this with sensors, cameras, and AI. However, this is nowhere near complete. But with a lot of competitors like Apple coming to this field, self-driving cars can soon be a reality. Moving on to number 8, we have HyperLoop. A HyperLoop is a proposed high-speed transportation system for both passenger and freight transport. The term was coined by Elon Musk to describe the modern open-source project originally conceived in the 1900s. HyperLoop is described as a big vacuum-sealed tube or a system of connected vacuum-sealed tubes having very low air pressure through which a pod may travel substantially free of air resistance or friction. Proposed HyperLoop designs employ 3 essential components: tubes, pods, and terminals. Here, a tube is a large, sealed, low-pressure system. A pressurized coach at atmospheric pressure runs inside this controlled low-pressure environment, which is usually a long tunnel. A coach is often called a pod. The pod may use aerodynamic or magnetic propulsion to glide along a fixed guideway, with terminals handling pod arrivals and departures. People are transported in individual pods that can reach speeds of up to 900 kilometers an hour. Once fully developed, this can provide transportation that is much faster and much safer than our trusty old planes. Up next at number 7, we have technology that Nikola Tesla envisioned would power the whole world. But since then, we have seen little advancements. That is, wireless technology. Recently, we have seen it make its way into smartphones, but the possibilities are endless. They can power houses and even cities. One thing we know for sure, we'll continue to get better until there is not a single wire left on this planet. And everything will be completely wireless, just like Nikola Tesla himself wanted. Number 6 is every car enthusiast's dream. BMW just unveiled its first color-changing car's prototype. This car has a paint that changes its color on demand. It has a special coating with an e-ink display, just like one you have on your Kindle. However, these cover the whole body. Currently, it can change color between only black and white. However, we will soon see it in multiple colors, and we'll never have to worry about our car's paint again. After all, with a simple tap, we can have a different color altogether. We'll say goodbye to all those lengthy paint job procedures. Talking of colors, next on the list at number 5 is an ink, but unlike others, it comes from air. Air pollution is a major problem in today's world. Cars, boats, planes all create tons of pollution which directly affects our health. However, researchers at the MIT lab have made an invention with which air pollution can be a thing of the past. This is a device that connects to an exhaust pipe and collects all the carbon released, which is then transformed to make ink. Landing at number 4, printers. Printers that can print houses. Hard to believe, right? Engineers at Fair Companies have developed a 3D printer big enough to print entire houses. It can build a single house in less than 24 hours, and unlike normal construction, this makes no waste. Instead of tens or hundreds of construction workers, you only need a single man behind the robot. Also, it can be deployed anywhere, so you can print your dream home anywhere you'd like. This printer extrudes a material, usually concrete, cement, or a polymer, but more lately, even earth, in an entirely additive process, so there is exponentially less waste in construction. Mighty Buildings can print a home in just 24 hours in their Oakland, California factory using a thermoset polymer composite that is cured with a UV light. On the printer head, the process is fast enough for the material to support its own weight, allowing for organic shapes, but slow enough that there is cohesion between layers. We all hate when internet speeds are slow or when there is no internet altogether. Well, that brings us to number 3 on the list. A team of engineers and researchers at Starlink were able to tackle just that. With the help of thousands of low-orbit satellites, you can get blazing fast internet speed anywhere on the planet. Yes, anywhere, be it your home, or a mountain, or the middle of the ocean. The deployment of the satellite is underway, and you can even join the beta program to test the service yourself by going to Starlink's website. Next up, at number 2, we have a toothbrush that doesn't require any of your help. It has a U-shape with bristles all over the body, along with motors to reach every little space that your traditional toothbrush can never reach. Best of all, it's super fast. It takes just 10 seconds to clean your teeth with this, from start to finish, so you never have to worry about your cavities or gum diseases again. Finally, we've come to number 1, where we find the life straw. We all know the world is running out of clean water supplies, and we have to act fast. Fortunately, researchers have made a straw that can purify water all by itself thanks to a complex water filtration system. With this, you can drink water straight from the pond and be assured it's just as clean as bottled water. This also acts as a filter from guinea worm. LifeStraw has provided 38 million guinea worm filters to the Carter Center since 1994. More recently, the company made the commitment to donate all future guinea worm filters to the center through the end of the disease eradication. In 2019, 520,000 guinea worm filters were donated. And there you have it. These were the top 10 technologies that can change the world. Were you fascinated by these? If yes, then like the video and remember to subscribe. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.